back in. So first, this top bit here comes off. So using it like a trimming tool. If you can get this off, like so. Comes off pretty easily. And then from here, slightly try to so just using a screwdriver, guys, there's 2 screws each there. You just unscrew that so you can take off the fascia. Just make sure you don't lose your screws. Once it's out, you can pull this out. The control there, but you can leave it there, you don't have to take it out because we're just working on here. Now, as you can see, this head unit has 4 screws. Using a screwdriver again, just unscrew each of them. When the screws are out, just pull it out. As you can see here, all you have to do is just pull it out. Lift this lever up. There's a little thing over here, just press on it and it should come out quite easy. Plugs put in, just match it to the holes where the screws are. So once it's all put in, just put back the fascia. Okay, just click it back in until you hear it, like it clicks. Screws. Now this top bit, just put it back into place.